Welcome back to Cuca's Kitchen, where cooking is made easy. Today, we are making Coctel de Camaron. It's fast, it's easy, but very delicious. We're going to be using the Maggi and the Worcestershire sauce. I'm using Primo Kitchen ketchup, but you can use any type of ketchup you like. Black pepper, salt to taste, and we're also going to be using olive oil. That's extra virgin olive oil. We're going to be adding half a teaspoon of dry oregano, the juice of 2 limes, 1 plum tomato, 2 jalapeno peppers, which are optional, half of a medium onion, and 2 cups of cilantro. The first thing we're going to do is add our ingredients to our bowl. Now the jalapeno pepper, you could substitute with cucumber if you like. Then we're going to add the juice of the 2 limes. Half a cup of ketchup, and depending how much ketchup you want in it, you can always add more or less. We're adding a tablespoon of the Maggi sauce, a tablespoon of the Worcestershire sauce, you add the oregano, and you could leave this out if you don't like oregano. Add your salt to taste. I'm adding half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and your black pepper. And then finally, you want to add 3 tablespoons of your extra virgin olive oil that you have. And this Coctel de Camaron is for 2. But if you want to have a party and make some more, just triple my recipe. Then you want to give it a nice stir. Mix everything real well. And I went ahead and boiled my shrimp already to make things go faster. I like to buy my shrimp raw, boil in the water in a saucepan, add a little bit of salt, and add my raw shrimp to it. Now these shrimp have already been cleaned and deveined, so all I have to do is add it to the hot boiling water for about a minute or 2 until they're a little bit light pink like this, and then I just take the ends off. You could use your knife as well, but I like this method. And then give it a rough chop. And so now you want to add it to your mixture. Mix well. At this point, you could go ahead and give it a taste and see if you need more salt, more black pepper. And again, this is just for 2. So we're going to go ahead and fill up our cups 3/4 of the way. And then you're going to want to top it with avocado. This is so delicious. You're really going to love this recipe. And like I said, this is just for 2. Again, you fill your next cup 3/4 of the way and top it with the avocado. And at this point, you can add anything you like, any type of sauce. More salt, whatever you like. I'm on a low carb diet, so I'm not gonna have it with chips, but my husband's gonna have it with chips. He's gonna accompany it with his Modelo beer. And I'm gonna have a low-carb Michelob Ultra beer. And I like to add Valentina sauce to it. So this is what's for dinner tonight, guys. Try it at home, you're really gonna love it. Coctel de Camaron for 2. Awesome. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and share. Buen provecho, friends.